I thought it was big though, I ain't gonna lie. And sometimes them big ones will hit like that too. Them real big ones. Got another one, y'all. Oh my gosh. Oh, stay down. Oh. Alright guys, we're back out here on another fishing day. A rainy fishing day. Trying to see if we can catch some of these scattered bass. They should be moving. They should be moving all crazy in the water right now. You know, we got the old chatterbait with us. Might possibly try a spinnerbait, but I don't know. And I got my old speed worm I'm gonna take off and put on like a different one. But we let's start off in this corner over here, see what's over here. It's rain, cold, I'm cold, golly. I don't know how great of an idea this was today. And she casts like a beauty. What is that? I got one, y'all. Oh! Oh, I had one the whole time, y'all. Yes, sir. I figured I had one. Yes, sir. That's a nice start. I knew I had one. It's hard to tell in the rain, y'all. Stay easy, buddy. Fat one, too. A little fat joker. Look at that. Yes, sir. Going back where you came from, bud. These little speed worms, I'm telling you, bro, they gonna get the job done every time. And it's a speed Senko. I don't think I ever used a speed Senko. I mean, in reality, they kind of all speed Senkos. It's just the actual speed worms be a little thicker. But they pretty much about the same thing anyway, so. I like the ones with this little tail on it, and I meant to break this apart. But this little tail, I'm telling you, bro, they can't resist it. Ever since I started using these worms, bro, it's like I just been having great luck with them. I ain't set the hook on that. I know that was a stump. For a fact, that was a stump. We ain't scared of no rain. Scared of that lightning though. There ain't never too many fish over here as you would expect them to be. Golly. Rain go away. gonna throw the chatter dunk out there. Since they over here nipping the thing. Hopefully we won't get hung with the chatter dunk. Hopefully. There's something to get hung on over here. I know that for a fact. Stay in the water. What are you doing? What are you doing, bud? Oh, got one, y'all. Oh, he about to snatch the rod out of my hand, y'all. Oh, shoot. Golly, boy, he hit that thing hard. Pause. Dang. Little fat joke over. Dang, he hit that thing hard, boy. Shee. Okay, now. On the chatter dunk. Golly, boy. Damn, hooked him in his gills a little bit. Damn, hold up. Stay clear, buddy. There we go. There we go. Back in the water. Golly. I knocked the rod out my damn hand. He shocked me when he hit though. I'm like, golly. Ain't trying to hit no damn sticks, no logs or nothing like that. I do not want to get home. And this is my only all white chatterbait too. I just got another hit. Oh, there's a damn dog bucket somewhere. It's bird shit everywhere, bro. Geese shit. There ain't no regular bird shit. It look like dog shit, but damn bird shit. These damn birds be shitting everywhere. Oh boy. Did I just have another one? Or was I just hung on something? I have no clue. It'd be hard to tell when I'm reeling from my left side. Need some of them fishing gloves so I could keep this thing in my hand when it's wet. Oh, I got another one, y'all. Oh, stay down. Oh, he's nice. Yes, sir. Oh, I ain't trying to lose him. They like to hop off. It's a little decent one. Yes, sir. We're in the rain with it, baby. Right at the bottom of the mouth. Yes, sir. When I get to this pocket over here, it's usually always something stacked up over there. It's just like a couple bass that be over there a lot of times. Oh boy, I keep having one. They be hit, it's like they hitting the tail of it. It's like they hitting the tail or something. Let me slow it down. Slow down my reeling just a little bit. I might be reeling too fast for them. Slow down my retrieve just a tad. Oh, got one, y'all. Oh, it's a little one. I be losing my my hand be slipping off the whatchamacallit. He be slipping off the rod. Thank God he was a smaller one. I did get the hook on him really good, so that's a good thing. Yes, sir. Going back to the darkness, my boy. He hit it kind of like soft. I know I had one, but it was like, and then my hand slipped because my damn reel so damn, my rod's so slippery right now. Damn rain. I see where they hitting at. It's like they hitting. It's like they hitting on this damn edge right here. They hitting on the edge. It's like they up against this edge. They hitting closer to the edge. I think it's time to change this fluke out. He don't want to act right now. Go ahead and change him out. Thank you, Jesus, for this beautiful day. Although it's a rainy day, it's a beautiful day. Thank God. All right. Back in the game. Bed, don't sleep. Oh. And this little spot right here is usually where I catch a giant at, like, or a four might be hanging around over here and just hitting it. I guess it'd be more a lot. Oh boy, what the freak? How did he miss it? Get your ass out the water. You just fucking around. I have no clue how he just missed that. %, 110%, that was a fish. Damn. I don't know how he missed that shit. Oh, I got one, y'all. Oh, he's small. Might be a decent size. He's all right. Yes, sir. Get your ass over there. Oh, he's decent. He's like the same size we've been catching all day. Shit, finally. And right in the bottom of the mouth. He was hungry for it. Tell y'all, your granddaddy and your mama to bite, man. Get your... Shit. Yeah, say your granddaddy and your mama and them to bite. And your daddy and shit. That's what I need, but go right back over there. Don't bite again now. You got all you and your little brothers and sisters biting. Should be something on this cast right here. Should get something on this cast right here. Come on, man. All these little bugs flying all in my damn face. I don't know what their issue is. Oh, got one, y'all. Oh, it's a nice one. I must have threw right on his head, y'all. Y'all, I almost threw right on his damn head. I'm talking about he hit it time to hit the water. Oh, he fighting too. Oh, he's decent. 2-pounder. Fat though, he healthy. All these fish in here are healthy. I'm talking about I threw right on his head, bro. Had to. I threw right on his head. Beautiful fish though. Get your ass back in there. I had to throw right on his head. I'm talking about I seen my line taking off. time it hit the water, it took off. Go back in that spot. Might be where the big one's at. That's why sometimes when I throw this chatterbait, I just let it sit sometimes. I don't want to scare them off. I'm scared to throw it that middle, but it's always something to get hung on in that middle. Fishies. Free it a little bit more. Oh, got one, y'all. Okay. Yes, sir. Okay, about the same size as the last one. Oh, no, he got off. I think I ripped his mouth. Yeah, I think I ripped his mouth, y'all. I'll be down, boy. I was damn sure pulling on his ass. I'm glad he wasn't too big. He like the same size as the last one. He hit it hard though. My shit feels so heavy. Oh boy, I just had another one. I love to get it out the water. Cause he don't feel right. I just had another one. They might be stacked over here. Yeah, all way. I'm talking about that white on white chatterbait, boy. When you got the white chatterbait with the white trailer, bro. I done caught so many big bass on this. I'm talking about one day I caught like 3-4 pounders back to back with this one bait. Oh yeah. It's always supposed to, you expect there to be a big bass over here and there's never one over here. That's the crazy thing. That what always gets me. Never one in this little pocket. They always be out in the open. All the big bass I've caught out here pretty much have been out in the open except for in that pocket. But they most of the time be out in the open, like in the open water. You expect them to be damn near like up on the edge and stuff like that. Got one, y'all. Oh shoot, he kind of decent. Yes sir. Yes sir. Yes sir, he's decent. Damn, he pushing 3 pounds right now. The biggest one of the day. He bigger than the one I lost, I think. Oh, he done been caught before. It might have been the one I lost. It might be the one I lost for real. Nice. Oh, get your ass back in the water, bro. About to tear my damn hand up. He hit it so soft, though. He hit it softer than all the damn bass today. All the smaller ones hit it harder than him. Really thought it was, I thought it was big though, I ain't gonna lie. And sometimes them big ones will hit like that too. Them real big ones. Got another one, y'all. Oh my gosh. Oh, stay down. Oh, y'all, he's nice. He's bigger than the last one, y'all. Oh, stay down. Oh, get your big ass on it. Y'all. Look at that. Oh shit. Yo. Yo. Oh, golly. This big motherfucker here, boy, he gonna hook me. Ooh. Damn, he got my ass too, boy. Ow. Y'all, look at that. Look at this, y'all. Look at that bass. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. We're gonna get a weight on her. And she not even spawned out. She still got, I think she still got some, yeah, she still got some eggs in there. Y'all, that's what I'm telling you, y'all. It was sitting right here in front of me, y'all. Yes, sir. Y'all, I'm about to set my camera up real quick, y'all, so I could really show y'all what I'm working with right now. Set my camera up on my phone real quick. Whoo, y'all, we've been fishing for this big one all day. Put her in the water. I gotta get a weight on her real quick. Put her in the water real quick. Get some water in the gills. We gotta get a weight on her. I would say she's like 5. Let me hurry up. We gotta get a weight on her real quick. $4.10. Hold up, hold on. Let me get a little video so y'all can really see her for real. 410, y'all. 410. This is what we've been fishing for today, baby. She's a beauty. Beautiful. But yeah, y'all, we finna get a good release on her. Let her go back to her bed or whatever. She was ready, y'all. That's what we came for, baby. That's what we've been fishing all day for. Right on time, too. I'm talking about it's just about to start getting dark in a minute. But we're gonna keep fishing. Let's get back out there, y'all. Damn, that was a nice one. That turned me up right there. I told you, y'all, I've been telling y'all this is big fish territory, and I could sense that one was over here, y'all. Oh, I got another one, y'all. Oh, I don't know how big it is. Oh my gosh. Oh, it ain't that big. I thought it was a big one. Y'all, we catching them jokers back to back in this one spot, y'all. They is going crazy right now. Boom, chatterbait, bro. I'm telling you, this all white chatterbait. That all white gets them right, and it catches the big ones. Sheesh, I am going crazy right now, y'all. I am going crazy. Time for another fluke already. We're gonna keep fishing to this, you know, to the daylight kick us out. I mean, till we run out of daylight. You know. Should have been came on this side for real. Y'all see, bro, I ain't even moved out this spot, man. And they've been treating me good. I don't want to go nowhere else right now. Fish been treating me very good. Yeah, it's definitely this down. Damn, bro, I done ran through some damn flukes today already. Fluke done fucked me up. But y'all, that's why we come out here in the damn rain, man. That's why we come out here and fish when it rains, after it rains, before it rains. That overcast, that cloudy days is when your best chance of catching a giant. One of your best chances. And you see what we did. Still got some good daylight. It really don't get dark till about 7:40, and it's like 7:20 right now, so we still got a little time to fish. I done ran through some flukes today. I'm about to buy some more. I think I got another pack though. It's all good. It was well worth it today, baby. Flukes ain't that high. And it come with many in the pack if you buy the Zoom ones at least. Oh, y'all got another one. Okay. I wonder if he was one of the ones that kept tapping it. I don't want to lose you, bud. Yes, sir. But y'all can see, bro, it look like another female. Smaller female. All these fish in here are healthy. Look at that, y'all. They all healthy. I really don't know how many I done caught so far. I ain't even gonna cap to y'all. I'm going crazy. I literally did not have to leave this spot so far. Like, they just biting. They all killing this spot. All right, y'all. That concludes this video, man. We had a great day out here. Had a wonderful day, man. At this point, I think I'm just call myself the hog hunter, you know, because your boy just did his thing. God blessed us with plenty of fish and blessed us with a pretty nice, you know, 5-pounder. But y'all, make sure y'all, if y'all watching this video, man, make sure y'all subscribe to the channel. It really helps your boy out, man. If you fuck with me, bro, subscribe to the channel, bro. That's all you gotta do, subscribe to the channel. But I love y'all, man. I love all my supporters, all my true supporters, because you got some flakes out there. We on the come up right now, you know. It's a small YouTube channel right now, but you know, we gonna stay consistent and we gonna keep going. That's all we can do with the grace of God. But man, y'all like this video, make sure you subscribe to the channel, comment your favorite part, you know, comment, and I'm always comment back to whatever you guys got to say. Y'all stay blessed out there. It's your boy Trey from Castaway with Trey, and we out.